Welcome to your account settings. Let's go through the key features step by step. First, add your company details here. This information will automatically appear in all your itineraries, offers, and trips. Next, fill in your personal details. These will also be included in all your itineraries, offers, and trips. Managing user access. If you're the company admin, you can manage access for other users here. By default, new users can't view or edit content created by others. To grant access, click the icon next to their name and select Manage Access. You can invite other members of your company to join you in the same Travel Tree account. To do this, click Invite Member. The invitation link is now copied. You can send it in any convenient way, via email, WhatsApp, etc. Your colleagues click the link and go to the registration page. After registering, they are visible in the Members section. It is important that your colleagues register through the invitation link. Only in this case they will be in the same account as you, and you will be able to collaborate and see each other's itineraries, notes, etc. Add the languages spoken by your clients. You'll be able to select a language for your itineraries, offers, and trips from the ones added here. Drag and drop to rearrange their order. Remove any unused currencies and add the ones you work with. Enter the exchange rate manually or contact us to enable automatic rate updates. You can enable advanced pricing with VAT in your account. This will add additional fields to every price, including net price, VAT excluded, VAT percentage, net price, VAT included. You'll also have the option to apply VAT to the final gross prices in your offers. Reassigning responsibilities and transferring content. Here, you can reassign trips, offers, itineraries, and elements to another account member. You also have the option to transfer content to a travel agent if they have an account in Travel Tree. In this tab, you'll find a list of content you've sent to other accounts, such as your travel agent's account. That's it. Once you've completed these steps, your account will be set up and ready to go.